Afternoon, John.
Hello, Dave. How are you?
I'm really good.
Good.
I'll tell you what, I'm mega impressed with the workshop. Obviously, the first time over in Ireland, so I'm really glad I've come to see you.
Good. Yeah. Thanks for coming.
Yeah. Now, you've always been a massive supporter of our training on Autoinform.
Yeah.
What is it that makes Autoinform so special? Why do you keep coming back to the UK to attend Autoinform?
I suppose by going to Autoinform, I'm getting to meet people that are at the leading edge of the industry, and it's great to learn from them, and it's great to get information and training and tips from the people that.
I mean, you were with us in November, just gone, and
Yes.
we had likes of James Dillon, Andy Sava, we had Frank, my dad, we had Darren Darling, myself did a presentation. How did you find that?
Oh, excellent! Yeah.
Enjoy it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, I enjoy James Dillon, yourself, your dad. I've been a fan of your dad since I was young, so I first got to know him, read his articles and stuff like that.
You mean, you're no stranger to investment and training, and look at the certificates on the wall, look at the business, what you've got. What benefits does your business have by coming on events like Autoinform?
Well, like a couple of years ago, we done the training on double clutch and that kind of technology.
Right.
And like when you come back here to the workshop and a car comes in, you know the importance of maintaining these gearboxes and that kind of stuff. It's stuff you don't learn every day in the workshop, but by attending the likes of Autoinform, you get to learn this stuff and you get to know how important it is.
Okay. Well, I've got some really good news. I mean, you already know this, but obviously we're coming to Ireland
Yeah, it's
this year
great.
in April. So, $1 million question, are you coming to Autoinform in April?
I am for sure and certain, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, not only am I going, but normally when I go to Autoinform in the UK, I bring one of my guys with me as well. It's a great opportunity, but now I'll be able to bring all my guys.
So you can bring all you guys to Autoinform?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think you'll have benefit of the training?
For sure, yeah. I see the benefit in the training. My guys, when they learn, you can see that it's an investment in them as well.
They feel valued, they feel important in the business, and it helps productivity.
Yeah,
Right,
yeah.
Well, in that case, I'll see you at Autoinform 2019 then.
Great, yeah. Lovely. Looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Yeah.